Hey YouTube, a little picture of motherboard on the Asus B53J, I believe. Anyway, as I was doing some replacing or removing some of the ribbon cables from here, I had sent this one right here. I don't want to touch it. Right here flying. It's just like this one right there, but it is the one for the fingerprint reader. So I could not find it anywhere. I don't know where it went. Checked everything. I practically undressed down here because wanted to make sure it wasn't stuck in my clothes or something. So anyway, that'd be it. Just kind of give you an idea where it's at. Right pretty much in the middle, and it's pretty much what I think is the fingerprint reader. Probably could get by without it. I'm not sure what kind of an error the motherboard would give. The BIOS, who knows. Thanks. Talk to you later. Have a great day. Bye.